Hi everyone, this is Kyne, and this is my Gothic Glam makeup look I created with Quo Beauty's 2022 Halloween collection. This here is the eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna start by dipping into that light purple shade called Trick and put that all over my eyelid, and lightly I'll take the orange shade Pumpkin into the eye socket. The next step is some winged liner, and I want to take it really graphic. So after I do the main wing, I'm gonna draw a line right above the eye socket there. It's hard to get really clean and crisp, so take your time. We're gonna add some dimension by using the darker purple shade called Treat and add that to the outer half of the eyelid, blending it into the lighter purple. I want some more color here too, so we're gonna put the neon green shade Ghoulish into the space right below where the front of your brow is, but above the eye socket, and then we're gonna stamp some more of the shade Pumpkin along the rest of the crease line to really intensify the color. Okay, now for the hard part. I had this idea to do spikes above the cut crease, sort of like cobwebs. So take your time here, make these as clean as you can. And afterwards, we're gonna work on the lower half of the face a little bit. I'm using Quo Beauty's Skull Blush Serum, a liquid blush, and blend that into my cheekbones. Then I'm working on the lower lash line, doing some more graphic eyeliner underneath the eye, accenting it with more color from the palette, then applying the Super Drama lashes from Quo Beauty, and finishing off the makeup with a matte black lipstick. All the nails, jewelry, and accessories are all part of the collection, available in Shoppers Drug Mart and Pharmaprix. Happy Halloween!